When it comes to conducting accurate and precise land surveys in Gurgaon Sector 29, DGP surveyors are the professionals to rely on. These skilled individuals possess the expertise and knowledge to utilize advanced DGPS technology to accurately measure and map out land areas. By incorporating DGPS technology into their surveying methods, these surveyors can provide accurate measurements and pinpoint locations with great precision, making them an indispensable asset for various industries and projects in Gurgaon Sector 29. One of the top DGP surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 is Scon Design. With their years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design has established a reputation for excellence in the field of land surveying. They understand the importance of precise measurements and accurate mapping when it comes to construction, infrastructure development, or land planning projects. By employing state-of-the-art DGPS technology, Scon Design ensures that their surveys are conducted with utmost accuracy and efficiency. The use of DGPS technology in land surveying has revolutionized the industry. By relying on satellites to provide precise positioning data, DGP surveyors can eliminate many of the limitations and errors associated with traditional surveying methods. The use of DGPS technology allows surveyors to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations, providing accurate data for various purposes such as boundary determination, topographic mapping, or construction layout. In Gurgaon Sector 29, where development and construction projects are booming, the need for accurate land surveys is crucial. Whether it is for constructing a new building, developing infrastructure, or planning urban spaces, accurate land measurement is an essential component. DGP surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that these projects are carried out smoothly and efficiently. DGPS surveyors are the experts to turn to when conducting accurate and exact land surveys in Gurgaon Sector 29. These knowledgeable people have the skills and information necessary to measure and map out land areas precisely using cutting-edge DGPS technology. These surveyors are a useful tool for numerous sectors and projects in Gurgaon Sector 29 since they can provide precise measurements and pinpoint locations by integrating DGPS technology into their surveying procedures. Scon Design is one of the best DGP surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29. Scon Design has built a solid reputation for excellence in the land surveying industry thanks to their many years of experience and team of highly qualified specialists. They are aware of how crucial precise measurements and accurate mapping are while working on building, infrastructure, or land planning projects. Scon Design uses cutting-edge DGPS technology to carry out their surveys with the utmost accuracy and effectiveness. The land surveying sector has undergone a transformation thanks to the adoption of DGPS technology. DGP surveyors are able to get around many of the restrictions